Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can add a weather widget in iOS 14. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in iOS 14 and you want to go to App Store and download this application called Weather. When you're gonna have it, what you want to do is just simply hold like button and just click plus here. And here you want to scroll down when you download it, weather, and add widget, and voila, here we have it, right? So this is pretty much how you do it. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And goodbye.